Hello everyone. So how do we send photos or videos in HD quality on an Android phone in WhatsApp? Just so you know that the HD quality preserves more details and high resolution, while the default image compression can reduce the file size. This is the basic difference you will see when you send without HD or with HD, right? So what you have to do is just go to the WhatsApp and click on any chat whom you want to send the photos or videos to. These two photos have been sent to me, and one is in HD form and other is not in HD form. Try to pause and see which is not according to you. Well, you have the answers now, but how do we send it? Let's do it together now. Okay, so you have to click on that pen option, the attachment icon, and select the photo or the video you want to send. I have these videos, so I select one video and there is an option which says HD on top besides the sticker options. So you have to click on that. If it shows a little white thing, then it means it is in HD quality. The HD quality feature is on, right? So you click on that option and you will see two options under media quality. One is standard quality, other is HD quality. So standard is faster to send and is smaller in size, and vice versa is with the HD quality. So whichever option we click, the green will come on that and the HD option will turn on, and you can see that on top it is white. Now you click on the send option and the video will be sent. Some photos and video will not be able to go in HD quality, like this one. It shows cannot send to HD because this media is not HD resolution. Means those files, means those videos or photos which are not clicked or taken from your phone will not be able to go in HD quality, right? So I just selected one photo which I clicked from my phone and it can go from the HD quality. But if I take this poster, it will not go in HD quality, right? Because it cannot set in HD quality. That's it. And how do we see whether the photo is in HD quality or not? Well, just simple. You have to see HD label in the bottom left corner of the photo. If it is there, it means it is in HD quality. If it is not, then it is not in HD quality. That's it. That's how you send photos. Like, instead of sending in documents, you can easily send it, right? You can see it is mentioned HD, and in the photos which are not HD, on the left lower corner it is not mentioned. Simple, that's it. If you have any queries, drop in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching till now. Hope it helped, and see you in the next video. Tada.